Hey, what's up with Bree? I hope y'all can see me okay. This lighting is not too well. Anyways, yes, I got me some Domino's. Domino's chicken. Chicken wings. I don't know if you can see it. With some buffalo hot wings. They didn't give me my ranch dressing. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's gonna be a fight. I asked for some ranch dressing to go with this, but I got some buffalo wing sauce anyway. Yeah, life is so interesting these days, I tell you. Don't know if you're coming or going. There's so many issues going on at one time. Like this last 2 weeks of my life has been crazy. Okay? Also, I got me some baby cucumbers. And I got this sauce. I want to see if it's still good. It's been a minute, been in the refrigerator for a minute. But we're going to find out what it be like. Okay? Let me see. You know, my beloved sauce with the onions and all that good stuff here. Let's see how it tastes in a minute. Hope it's still a little hot. See? Yeah, still good. So if other things don't make you happy, at least the food can make you a little happy. Say thank you, Jesus, for this food. Yes, Lord. It's hot too. Hot and spicy. Ooh, this lemon is hot. Put a little lemon sauce on there. If y'all don't know, you need to go to my page and get this sauce recipe. This is the beloved sauce, not the butter garlic one, the beloved. It's so good. If I do pause, I'm at work, just so y'all know. People be coming through here and I gotta be quiet. Whew, my mouth is spicy. Smackalicious. Put some lemon on that. Put some beloved sauce on these wings. These are just some regular wings from Domino's. I wanted to put my own flavor on them. So I got the plain ones. So yeah, I think we're gonna have like a crazy summer. I think there's gonna be a lot of protesting this summer. Now we have a new case. We ain't even finished the old cases yet. Still got other police officers that gotta go to trial. Now here come another one. Lord have mercy. Just crazy. How much can a sister take? I tell you. Just don't know. Delicious. Whew. I wish I could share this with y'all, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It is the bomb, though. It is the bomb. Probably make me some more sauce next week, because I like to make it, put it in the freezer, so whenever I have something, I got it on deck. I make little portions in Ziploc and bring it to work with me. Well, that's what you do. One minute, please. Hey, yes, I am back. I am back. Okay. Back with the groove on. Gotta get the groove on with the food on, okay? If you have never tried this, let me tell you, this is the bomb. These are them baby cucumbers. They're good with sauce. We can do these. You can do, like when you do your seafood boil, these, potatoes, corn on the cob, eggs, boiled eggs. Y'all don't know what you be missing. Don't get me, I don't forgot all about my chicken. Because these things are so good. You just got to try it one day, and you'll find out. One day I'm going to try to create my own sauce, though, okay? I'm going to call it the Brie Gang. Okay, that's what my sauce going to be called. The Brie Gang. Ooh. A little hot sauce on here. Yes, yes, yes. So good, so good. It's a rainy day out here and it feels like it. Feels gloomy. After all that drama last night with the police and looting and all you hear is gunshots and all that stuff. Okay, y'all. I say I'm at work, so let me get up off this camera before somebody come in here. What's up with Bree? If you like, subscribe, please. And God bless you, okay? Bye-bye.